Okay, so we're doing headshots for the posters for the upcoming web series, The Potion. And I want to talk about just real quickly some of the lights that we're using. These are the RGB lights that I talked about in the previous video. We're not using any flash. We have 3 of the, I call them wand lights here in 3 different colors. I am diffusing them as ghetto as possible. Over here, I have just some cloth, and that is actually a trash bag. I have the Westcott X Drop set up as a black background. We're using some moving mats just to keep a lot of the light out. Let me show you guys the X Drop back here. We're using a black background in the X Drop. We have our wonderful actress model, triple talented everything. Can you state your name and your Instagram page?
Yes, my name is Felicia and my Instagram is Felicia_Morgan.
Perfect. All right. So we got everything going. We are shooting on the A7R Mark III, adapted with the 50mm 51.4, and we will show you guys how the final images come out.
For more daily updates, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter